What the is an ETF? Let me set the scene. The year is 1993. Beanie Babies are on every kid's wish list. Bill Clinton's president. The Dallas Cowboys win the Super Bowl. Congrats, fellas. Meanwhile, the first ETF, or exchange traded fund, soft launches on the American Stock Exchange. The OG stock ticker SPY tracked the S&P 500, a stock market index that includes the 500 largest companies on the US stock exchange. The fund's still going strong with over $400 million in assets under management. Not bad for a 90s baby. But why are ETFs even a thing? Well, the American Stock Exchange, aka Amex, had some issues in 1987. The stock market crashed. Excuse me. Enter Nate Most, physicist and World War II submarine specialist, who worked at Amex creating new financial products. The guy just does it all. He took one look at Amex and was like, this place needs a major glow up. And he had one goal, create something that Amex could trade so it could make more money. His invention, the ETF, would become one of the most successful financial innovations in modern times. Talk about understanding the assignment. So how do ETFs work? They're bought and sold just like shares on a stock exchange, but they're not businesses. Think of it as a basket of different investments. Some track an index like the S&P 500 and others track an asset class like green or gold energy. Okay, great, but what's the point? Number one, easy diversification. You get exposure to all the investments held in an ETF, so if one stock drops, you don't lose your shirt or your shit. Number two, no minimum investment. With fractional shares, you can invest with as little as a penny or $5. Another benefit is they're easy to buy and sell. You can purchase shares of an ETF just like an individual stock anytime the markets are open. There are more than 90 ETFs available on Stash, and when you sign up, we'll give you ETF recommendations. See you next time on Learn with Stash. Later.